Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the easiest ways of online earning in 2023. In this video, we'll explore some lucrative opportunities that can help you make money from the comfort of your own home. So, let's dive right in. Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. 1. Freelancing and remote work. One of the easiest ways to earn money online is through freelancing and remote work. Many companies are now offering remote job opportunities, allowing you to work from anywhere in the world. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients seeking various services, such as writing, graphic design, programming, and virtual assistants. 2. Online surveys and microtasks. If you're looking for quick and easy ways to earn some extra cash, online surveys and microtasks can be a great option. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Amazon Mechanical Turk offer opportunities to complete surveys, watch videos, and perform small tasks in exchange for money or gift cards. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another popular online earning method that allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services. You can join affiliate programs of various companies and promote their products through your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. 4. Creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, creating and selling online courses can be a highly profitable venture. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera provide tools and a marketplace for you to create and sell your courses. This allows you to share your knowledge while generating passive income. 5. YouTube and content creation. YouTube has become a significant platform for content creators to earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. If you have a passion for creating videos and providing valuable content, starting a YouTube channel can be a rewarding online earning opportunity. 6. Print-on-demand and e-commerce. With print-on-demand and e-commerce, you can start your own online store without the need for inventory or upfront costs. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Printful allow you to create and sell custom-designed merchandise, such as t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. And there you have it, some of the easiest ways to earn money online in 2023. Whether you choose freelancing, affiliate marketing, content creation, or any other method, remember that consistent effort and dedication are key to success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more online earning tips and strategies. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, happy earning! For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.